Together playtime.
In this lesson, you will learn words with accented syllables, like ribbon and wagon.
In some words, a vowel is not pronounced the way we might expect. Instead, the vowel makes the schwa sound. The word adult begins with the schwa sound, adult. Adult. The schwa sound occurs only in the unaccented or quieter syllable or syllables of a word. Listen, adult. Notice that the word adult has an accented or louder syllable at the end of the word. The schwa sound only occurs in the unaccented or quieter syllable at the beginning of the word. The letter A in the word adult makes the schwa sound. The schwa sound doesn't always have to be at the beginning of a word. In the word salad, the second syllable is the unaccented syllable, and the A in that second syllable makes the schwa sound. Listen. Salad. Listen for the schwa sound in the unaccented syllable of each of these words. Along. Along. Scuba. Scuba. Connect. Connect. Ballad. Ballad. Listen for the schwa sound in the unaccented syllable of each of these words. Lemon. Lemon. Taken. Taken. Dozen. Dozen. Wagon. Wagon.
Together playtime.